That's nice. It does, doesn't it? It looks exactly like Central Park. So look at the spider pumpkins in there, look. So many pumpkins. Whoa. I love that. Oh, look at the pumpkin there. That's amazing. Creepy stuff.
Zack, go and sit on that chair. Is it creepy?
Well, look, there's a telephone box. There's a spider on the telephone box. So walk through the telephone box, come on. Whoa. Whoa, look at them all.
Are you coming up? Where's it looking for? These are great, aren't they?
I like this. Oh, look at the cobwebs. This tree's amazing. Whoa, big spider web. So there's a big spider. No. Look at all these. Do you love it, do you? Ah. Yeah.
Can you sit next to him, sweet face?
Next to him, next to him.
Sit next to him. Yeah,
Leave him alone, that's it.
Sit. Hang on. Yeah. Look at me. Say cheese. Really put so much effort in, haven't they? Trying to decorate.
Zack, have a look at this, look. Pumpkin. Hello. Hi. Did you see him? Look at him. He's got a pumpkin head.
Does he go behind it?
I think you can, yeah. Wow, that's awesome.
Say cheese.
Great Halloween decorations. Oh, is that the ducks? Oh my life, look at that, it's huge. Zack, how big's that pumpkin? Massive. Look at this cat. It's a Halloween treat. It's like a frozen 99 because there's a flake in it as well, and it's in a pumpkin.
Daddy, there's really
so much to do.
Look at that pumpkin ice cream. Do you reckon you can eat the pumpkin as well, though?
I don't think so.
I'm not sure. Go on then. What's the sauce on that, Liz? Is it pumpkin sauce? Tastes
Mango.
tastes like mango.
Nice to meet you too. Have a happy Halloween. Thank you.
Zack, I love these decorations here. Look. What can you say? So many pumpkins. Wow. Happy. Zack, get in front of that. I love it. Really cool. Whoa, giant spider. Look at that. Never seen so many pumpkins.
Yes, twinkle tweet.
What is this?
Twinkle tweet.
What is this?
Oh, hello there.
Hello.
I like your furry hood.
Whoa.
Hello.
Let me tell you a funny joke.
Go on, take it away, Cornelius.
Oh, okay. I've been waiting for
Cornelius.
this all day. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo hoo.
Don't cry, Professor Pumpkin. I didn't mean to scare you.
Oh, that was a good joke. But I think I've got a better joke than that.
Go on, you go, you go.
How do monsters like their eggs?
Ow!
Terror fried.
That's how I like mine.
Very good.
Oh,
That was a good one. If anyone else got any jokes out
What's
there?
got jokes for us.
I don't know, haven't got one.
No.
No, oh dear, that means I've got to do another joke
Oh.
then, doesn't it?
Take it away, Professor Pumpkin.
Why do ghosts love going to Six Flags?
Why?
Because they can go on all the roller coasters.
Ah, Professor Pumpkin.
Was that one a good one?
Are we getting some giggles?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that one was great.
We're signing off from Paultons Park at Halloween.